Check out this 2016 Buick Cascada Premium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are air deflector, front seats, air deflector, rear seats, convertible roof, folding, acoustically and thermally insulated, convertible top color, black and fog lamps. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.